minsan lang sinabi, dapat tandaan na? Do you explain something once and expect them to remember it forever? Pamilyar ba to sa iyo? May couple akong nakilala, Jenalyn and Rico, who run a dental clinic together for 8 years na. Jenalyn handles the operations and Rico manages the finances and equipment. One day, Jenalyn trained a new dental assistant on the sterilization process. Inexplain niya ng isang beses, thoroughly, step by step, ganito ang tamang proseso, sundin mo lang yan. 2 weeks passed, Jenalyn noticed the assistant was skipping steps, not using the right timing for the autoclave, not organizing the instruments properly, and Jenalyn was really furious. Sabi ko na nga sa kanya, bakit hindi niya sinusunod? Pero tinanong siya ni Rico, ilang beses mo bang sinabi? Jenalyn paused. Sabi niya, isang beses lang. Pero malinaw naman ang explanation ko. And that was the problem. One explanation, no follow-up, no repetition, no checking if the assistant really understood. Anak, ito yung nakakalimutan natin. People don't learn from one explanation. They learn from repetition, especially when the task is new, especially when they are nervous, especially when there are many steps involved. Ito yung lesson. Kung minsan mo lang sinabi, huwag mong asahan na alam na nila agad. Repeat, remind, reinforce. That is how people actually learn. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.